Understanding Kangaroo Workshop, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase, Kangaroo Workshop. This phrase might sound a bit peculiar at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in conversation. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, kangaroo and workshop. A kangaroo is a marsupial known for its powerful legs and ability to jump long distances. The word workshop usually refers to a room or building where work is done, often involving hands-on activities or discussions. So, what could these two words mean when put together? Let's find out in the next section. The phrase, kangaroo workshop, doesn't have a widely recognized literal meaning. It's not a common term you would find in a dictionary. Instead, it's a figurative expression. In this context, kangaroo can symbolize something dynamic or unpredictable, while workshop suggests a place of activity or learning. So, a kangaroo workshop could imply a dynamic and perhaps unconventional learning environment. Now, let's see how this phrase might be used in context. Imagine a classroom or a training session where the activities are highly interactive, energetic, and perhaps a bit unconventional. A teacher might say, "Welcome to our kangaroo workshop, where you'll jump into learning in ways you never expected." This usage highlights the phrase's ability to convey a sense of energy, excitement, and unconventional approaches to learning or working. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, kangaroo workshop. It's a great example of how English can be playful and imaginative in its expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and images those words create. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!